Kiss from?
Are your girlfriend and she don't want you no more.
Yeah? I told a lie. Oh, she kiss you.
Right? Oh, yeah.
Hey, man, she want me, oh. I say, go? Oh.
So,
Oh.
so.
Oh, no. She want me 2 years. She want me 2 years. Oh. Go on. I say, kiss you. Yeah. Come here.
Come here.
What's your name?
Nadia.
I'm a sister that madman. I hear a sister too. I hear a sister too. I know my girlfriend and my sister, but I hear a sister too.
Ow.
Hush.
So you never know.
You never know say a sister bad man. Back up off of this.
Put on my shoes now.
Alright, bad man. Look at me. Tell us bye bye.
Later.